I have a slight situation. I have actually two matters in front of this court, and I took a seat at the attorney's window. Now, I have an extensive case matter that I would like to sit and address with the clerk to really work out the needs, and I tried to explain that to her. I have a power of attorney, and I'm asking her to not refuse service because I have a significant matter before this court where I have a lien on one of the judges' oath of office. So I don't want to be in front of a room full of people and then putting all of this information out. I need a setting where someone can come collectively and speak to me and address the matters that I have with the case. Well, one is a case I just want to enter a plea on this matter here, and the other one is in regards to denial by trial by jury, which I filed this in the Broward County Commissioner's office in respect to the notice of administrative remedy and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm a bit more advanced than Wendell Taylor, and I'm just asking for someone to with some type of ability to handle this situation for me.
First of all, we can't do anything without denying a jury. That's a judge.
I understand. I'm just saying the significance of me sitting down in front of a clerk is something that I'm humbly requesting because this is an issue outside of the norm. That's what I'm requesting.
They're not qualified for that.
Excuse me?
They're not qualified for that. It's what exactly it is you want them to tell you.
Okay, what I wanted to do was to,
file paperwork.
and I understand, and what I wanted to do is just get the paperwork for filing a entry of not guilty on this matter, and then I wanted to inspect the case file on this other matter before the court.
You can do that. Look, first of all, you didn't tell me what kind of cases they are yet.
Okay, it's traffic that turned into criminal.
Okay, so that would be 130. You were over there already, correct?
Yeah, but the specific issue that I'm having is the attorney's window.
You can't go there.
Why?
Because you're not an attorney, and that's what
I am an attorney. Do you have any other proof to rebut that? That's what I'm saying.
Well, show your law card, show your bar card, and they'll serve you.
Well, I'm not a bar attorney. There are other types of attorney besides bar attorney.
We don't have time for this. You're going to have to follow our rules, or it's not going to happen. That's you could dictate anything you want to say. So could I. So could she. But we have to follow rules. Everybody comes in here in this courthouse and wants to do what you want to do. Nothing gonna get done. They're not qualified for that. They just file paperwork.
Are you a public servant?
Are you qualified? Are you questioning me now?
I'm asking a question. Are you a public servant?
Yeah, and you pay my salary. Is that
Okay,
what you're
hold
gonna
on. Please don't get defensive. I'm not defensive. I'm only asking questions and seeking information. No, it's not crap. Ma'am, I'm not getting upset. I'm only asking questions. Okay, so I simply asked, are you a public official? Do you have a...
No, I'm not a public official.
So you do or do not have an oath of office?
What?
Do you have an oath of office?
This is my crappy office. Would you like to come in?
No, I mean oath of office meaning you swear to uphold the Constitution of the United States.
Oath. I thought you said
Yeah, oath.
Office.
Oath. Do you have one of those?
Yeah.
Okay. May I have it? May I have a copy of it, please?
It's in HR. Ask them.
Okay. What is your name?
Mary Ann Crucio.
Mary
I
Ann?
am the administrative assistant for Mr. Foreman.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, hold on. I just want to get your correct spelling. What is it?
Hi. Not too good. We got a very irate customer here at the window.
I'm not a high rate.
Yeah, he thinks that he's a lawyer and he wants special attention to those people who turn his window but no, he's not. But he says he is, but he's not. And he's giving me a lot of grief here, so I think we're going to have to either address it with BSO or he's going to have to follow what I tell him to do. He doesn't seem to want to do that.
You know what you can do? Go over to room 130 and ask to speak with the supervisor.
Okay, I attempted to do that and they just
What's
wouldn't.
your name?
What is my name?
Yeah.
Well, what is your name? My name is Eddie Banks.
Ed Banks?
Eddie.
Ed Banks is his name. I don't know
It's Eddie. Eddie. Yes. What was her name?
Marianne.
Mary Ann.
GRU.
GRU.
CC.
CCIO. Okay.
So did you ask to speak to the supervisor over there?
I tried to get a supervisor, and the young lady would not do it.
Let me call. See if I can get one to meet you out there.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, he said, write your name down and your number, and he will call you directly.
Okay.
In the meantime, if you want to get that done, what you're saying, you're going to have to deal with the supervisor.
Okay, no problem. You said where can I get your oath? You said where was it located?
HR,
HR. Okay. HR.
Regis.
What floor is that?
right next door.
Okay. 954-822-5539. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you. Is he coming?
I'm telling you, I have got myself a supervisor. I called Regis is the supervisor over there. She's coming over.
Okay.
Okay, just hang out.
Thank you. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, I attempted to get service from the attorney's window because I have an extensive issue before this court, and it's not conducive for me to stand up there with no leverage to put my paperwork and all of that. And I humbly request that the clerk make some type of concession with me. She said, well, are you an attorney? Yes, I have a power of attorney in regards to the matter that I'm addressing. So I am officially in a capacity as an attorney. Now, if the window is reserved for attorneys, I would like to see or inspect the bona fide law or ordinance that dedicates a special window for their operation. I have a special appearance notice with this court in regards to foreign law. I also have a notice of acceptance of office of any public official. So I'm just asking for some cooperation because I do have I have an issue where I have a $48 million bond in regards to a case with this court. So I need some assistance other than the chattel just standing in line waiting to be talked to through glass.
Well, unfortunately, that's our procedure. Unless you can prove that you are an attorney, basically, you will have to stand up. Other than that, what else? What is it that you need assistance with?
Okay, what I wanted to do is just simply enter a plea with this, and I wanted to that's a lien on the judge actually.
Is that your case there?
This is I'm handling this case for my wife. I tried to address the matter as far as like sending certified copies to the state, but they're saying no, they suspended her license. So I haven't gotten any appearance in front of a court. So since they're refusing my documentation, I'll just go ahead and go through what they're forcing me to go through, and then we could just have a trial and we'll document all of the hindrances and the obstructions that I'm experienced with getting this matter extinguished before the court.
And she is over 18, right?
Correct.
Is she locally?
She is my wife.
I know, but basically this here is from what we're for our operation, that don't apply as far as you being able to get service. We will give you adequate service based upon your availability of the clerks who's at the window. So I'm trying to understand how this overrides basically your customer service. They're not refusing your services, but because you're saying there's not enough adequate space for you to put your...
And, which I'm not wearing my back brace today, and we've dealt with this issue before, where standing up in lines are hectic on my back.
Okay,
But I did not
okay.
want to I didn't want to
Okay.
play on that
Okay,
injury
okay.
because I know I'm bona fide in my actions and paperwork. I want
Okay.
that to stand
So you say you
rather
have
than my
some
disability.
Okay. You have a disability.
Correct.
Okay, so let me see if I can get someone to help you if that's the case.
If
Yeah.
you want to allow that route to take place, I would greatly appreciate it.
Okay. If you're saying you have a disability, I'm not going to ask for any proof, but yeah.
No, that's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. I don't
Yeah,
have any
understand.
proof. That's
Right,
why I
right,
didn't
right.
go that route.
Okay.
Thank you.